Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering overcoming procrastination, strategies to increase our productivity. So let's jump in. This is a topic that we all struggle with from time to time, overcoming procrastination. So we're always on the lookout to unlocking the secrets to increase our productivity. Now you might be wondering, why on earth do we procrastinate? And does it have any hidden usefulness? Back in the caveman days, our ancestors were experts at avoiding immediate danger, like running from hungry saber-toothed tigers. That instinct to delay less urgent tasks got passed down to us. So procrastination isn't all bad. It's like a survival tactic from our ancient lineage. But here's the catch. In our modern world of responsibilities and deadlines, it can turn into a sneaky little time thief. Let's summarize. We are recognizing, accepting, and overcoming procrastination by finding strategies to increase our productivity. The three key points to doing so are: 1. Break tasks into smaller, manageable chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed and maintain momentum. 2. Create a dedicated procrastination free zone to eliminate distractions and stay focused on your goals. And 3. Set smart goals, prioritize effectively, and reward yourself for each accomplishment along the path to increased productivity. You've got this. These were some steps and tips on overcoming procrastination, strategies for increased productivity. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering navigating imposter syndrome, overcoming self doubt in your career and life. Ask questions and suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week!